Hey there, Hugster! Welcome to the Hug Academy. You might be wondering, what's all the excitement about? Well, in the next 3 minutes, I'll show you how Hug Academy can help you take control of your personal finances, say goodbye to debt, and start building the kind of wealth you've always dreamed of. Are you ready to discover what Hug Academy can do for you? Let's dive in! When you first join Hug Academy, we'll guide you through setting meaningful financial goals. Using our easy-to-use compound interest calculator, you'll see just how much you need to set aside each month to reach those goals. And we think you'll be pleasantly surprised. Next, we'll introduce you to your financial persona. Think of it like a fun personality quiz, but for your finances. You'll discover how your risk appetite, spending habits, and savings behaviors all come together to shape your unique financial persona. Lastly, our welcome lessons will give you a taste of what's coming. Once you've completed the welcome section, you will understand these 3 key principles. If you can control your personal finances, you can reduce debt and create surplus money to invest. If you understand the economy and economic cycles, you can spot risks and opportunities. If you learn how to invest using Hug's simple, powerful tools and techniques, you can build wealth consistently and sustainably. Investing is a lot like planting a tree. A tree planted today grows taller and stronger over the years, providing shade, fruit, or beauty as it matures. Likewise, money invested early benefits from compound interest, leading to significant growth over time. By learning with Hug Academy, you'll gain the know-how and the tools to grow your personal wealth. Here's how you'll benefit. Kickstart good financial habits. Starting today helps you develop good financial habits and gives you time to learn and adjust. Stress-free investing. Long-term investing rides out market ups and downs. Compounding. Time lets your money grow through compound interest, earning returns on both your initial investment and the returns themselves. Beat inflation. Early investments grow faster than inflation, protecting your purchasing power. Remember, every day you put off learning is a lost opportunity to grow your personal wealth. Our great value, monthly subscription gives you access to the platform and our foundation course. Every week you are delivered new lessons, and we recommend that you put just 15 to 30 minutes aside per week to watch the videos. Don't worry, this isn't an academic course. There aren't any complicated formulas. It's designed so everyone can understand. And that's not all. As part of your subscription, you also get access to Fantasy Portfolio. In a gamified environment, similar to fantasy football, you will use a mock investment portfolio and make investment decisions using virtual money called Hug Dollars in real-time market conditions. This provides a safe space to test strategies, gain practical experience, and build confidence before engaging with real investments. You will also be able to see where you are ranking against your peers on a leaderboard. By training with Hug Academy, you will soon see that with a little money, a little knowledge, and a little focus, you can achieve your life goals. At Hug, we believe financial education should be taught in schools. But since it isn't, we're stepping up. Our goal is to raise global financial literacy, reduce poverty, and make the world a better place. By now, we hope you're excited to join us. Simply head over to our homepage at hug.academy and click the Join Hug Free button to sign up. Once you're signed up, you'll notice that all the welcome content and your first month of training are completely free. It's our way of showing just how easy and accessible our training is. With no pressure, you are free to take it in at your own pace. Join us today to kickstart your wealth-building journey. Together, we can make a difference.